I'm at a house here in Sherwood and I wanted to walk you through. We actually just bought this today. And the reason I want to show you inside is because I wanted to show you the as is factor. Meaning when we buy houses as is, you don't have to clean up. You can leave what you don't want behind and not have to touch anything you don't, okay? And so this seller, he could have gone to the market and got a higher price, but at what cost to him to incur, to clean it up, to fix the inspection report, and maybe hope that a buyer doesn't back out. So I'm Cody with Little Rock Property Buyers, and I'm here to help. At the end of the day, we buy houses directly from you as a seller, and what that does is it increases your peace of mind, because on the market, buyers who use financing may back out last minute, or you might have to incur additional costs to get it cleaned up and fixed up. So we buy them as is all over Central Arkansas, and I wanted to just share this message and show you the inside of this house so that we can add value to you and your family.